tutorials 12 and 13, we will review the last non-customizable form on the list, Perio chart. In the present tutorial, that is tutorial number 12, we will review the Perio chart form and the Perio work log. In the next tutorial, tutorial 13, we will show how to create a Perio chart, and we will review the reports that relate to Perio ontology. Before we examine the Perio chart, we note the presence of the user customizable Perio ontology form, which is used to charge for work done. The Perio ontology form works in the same manner as the other user customizable forms. For a quick review, we click on button Perio ontology. If the user wants to record and charge a specific work, for example, treatment for gingivitis, the specific work is selected by clicking on the appropriate box in the charge work column or on the work description. In other words, we can either click on treatment for gingivitis or click in the box. And when we exit this form, we notice that the work has been recorded in the usual place with the charge. We now click on button Perio chart. We see the empty periodontal chart for the upper and lower jaws of patient Tim Flagg. On the top right, we have button New Periodontal Chart, which is used to create a new Perio chart. The button with the hammer and wrench takes the user to the Perio work log, and the button with the printer on it takes the user to the reports available for the Perio work. Click on the Perio work log button. In the Perio work log form, the user can enter the date of the work done and can choose one of 4 predefined choices. Let's choose today's date. In the work, the 4 choices are initial visit, treatment, recall, and report. For every log entry, the user can enter relevant notes. Each of the 4 choices is associated with specific functionality that the user can fill in and which appears at the bottom of the screen. Let's select initial visit. With the initial visit selected, certain options appear at the bottom, and these options are self-explanatory. Where we have a yellow border, the user can enter his own options. If the user double-clicks on text box diagnosis, the user is prompted to enter specific diagnosis in the user's wording. If we choose treatment for work, the options that appear at the bottom change. In this case, the treatment text box has a yellow border, and this enables the user to enter user-defined treatments. If we choose recall, the software offers the user a general text box to record data. At the end of the treatment, the periodontologist will generate a report which is sent back to the referring dentist. Click here, Report. Now, the report can be written directly in the text box below, or can be written in a word processor and copied into the text box. At the bottom, we have 3 buttons. The first button will help us preview the report. As you can see, it follows the same report format throughout. Dentist name and details, the logo would be placed here if it existed. Patient details, report date, which corresponds to the date we entered here, and the report content. The second button would basically print the form. And the third button, which is a useful button because we can email the report to the referring dentist.